I bought the Elegoo Neptune 2 for Vinny. I started by buying the Elegoo Neptune 2 3D printer for a Christmas for someone, and they didn't really fit what they wanted, so I gave them the money for it, and I just kept it. So I've been 3D printing since then, and found quite a few things that are cute, not useful, but cute. This print here is an astronaut. You can see it's laying down the plastic. A little bit darker is what it's laying down right now, and a little bit lighter is what it laid down the last time it went wrong. So it just keeps laying down layer after layer until it builds it up to look like this. I did these astronauts probably about 7 different layers of color to get them to look like that. First thing I made was a Buddha. Second thing I made was this Lord of the Rings ring. The third thing I made was the top with the skull and the raven. So I made the two so they'd fit together and turn into a jewelry box. Put a bottom in it, put some satin in it. Second thing was that box back there that organizes your pens and remotes. That thing in the center, that was a mistake. That was going to be feet for the jewelry box, but it didn't work out. The thing in the middle and the back, that's a train that also didn't work out. The Roman headgear, I did that next. And then I did the face as a test. The little lizard, he's a print in place, they call it. That means he just lays on the bed and gets printed with no supports. Then when you pull him up, it looks just like this. Flexible. The little gold one is a miniature of it. Here's the flexible hand. Also print in place. No supports. Means no extra plastic being used to hold it up. It just builds it from the bottom to the top. Next is the Egyptian dagger. Has a scarab on it. King Tut type sarcophagus for the handle. Double-sided. Here's my favorite print. It's the astronaut. Also print in place. Prints flat on its back. This model here, I had to change the colors on the filament 8 times to get the white and the gold and the blue all in the places where it's at. It's just layers. As you go up, you change filaments. The visor slides down real nice. That's also all done with the printer. I don't do anything except for pull it off the bed. Here's a skull I printed for putting on the top of my cane. I've had the cane for 10 years probably, didn't have a top for it. So I finally printed a skull out that was pretty close to the size I wanted. I probably should have had it a little smaller. But it printed out just like that, shiny. No work to do to it except for applying it to the top of the cane. This is a pendant. It's supposed to be around the neck. I upsized it, so now it's more like a picture frame. It's about 8 3/4 inches around. To start out, it was only about 1 inch. So I put some glass in that and turn it into a picture frame.